Hello everybody, my name is Augustine Sosa, and today I will be covering Lab 1, estimating the calorie content of nuts. As you can see, I have closed-toed shoes for this lab, and my materials, this is my workspace. My materials for today are a goldfish. This is a coffee filter, which will work as my watch glass. This is a very big paper clip, my thermometer, my lighter, aluminum can, and this is going to serve as a scale. To start off, we will grab a clamp stand, set it up as to hold two things: the can itself, and the thermometer. We will measure the weight of the watch glass, the paper clip, and the nut. That is set to weigh about 36.159 grams. Once we have the weight of that, we will measure the weight of the aluminum can. The mass of the can is 12.785 grams. We'll be adding water to about halfway, and again measuring the mass of the aluminum can with the water, which will come out to about 98.537 grams. That is 98.537 minus the mass of the aluminum can by itself, which will give us 85.752 divided by 1,000, and it'll give us the kilograms. That is 0.08575 kilograms. The next step would be the setup of this, which a clamp stand would usually hold the aluminum can with one arm and the thermometer with another one slightly on the water but slightly above the bottom of the aluminum can. So the temperature of the water by itself in this case is 24.5 degrees Celsius. So what we have jotted down here is 24.5 degrees Celsius, which is the initial temperature of the water, and we've came to the conclusion that 27 degrees Celsius is the final temperature of the water, or the highest temperature that it will reach. In this case, we have recorded 36.159 as our initial grams as our initial mass for the watch glass, the paper clip, and the nut, and then you subtract that from the mass of the watch glass, the paper clip, and the nut after the combustion, which was 35.309 grams, which gave us 0.85 grams as the mass of the nut that was burned. Again, for the mass of water, we get what the mass of the can plus the water in grams was from the scale, which is 98.537 grams, minus what the mass of the can was, which was 12.785 grams, coming to a total of 85.752 grams.